ahorita. Got pretty much, it's hard to believe that the color still looks different there.
Right, I told Randy, I was like, it looks like, you know, the army gray. Whenever they like,
Yeah.
Yeah. They get super dark after a while.
That is so weird. So you got to make sure that your clothes don't get into the wet clear, okay? See how fast I went over that? When you get into your stuff that's got base and sealer on it, you're going to have to hit it a little bit wetter, okay?
Okay.
So wet that it runs off in the freaking floor, though. Watch what you're doing. And like I said, you got to be careful because like I can reach out there. You guys may want to tuck your shirt in so it don't bump that fender.
Freedom waits on the right one's floor. Sunsets fall like street lights. Radio plays those tunes divine. Skies wide open in the flame. Leave behind the clouds of shame. Rest behind, let it fly.